it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, it is what I eat in a day to be happy, and I titled it that because I wanted to talk about like intuitive eating and having a healthy relationship with food. I'm going to be talking about that throughout the video. I'm just going to start off by making some breakfast because I am super hungry right now. So let's make some oatmeal. So I've been making it in a pot lately. I really love putting fruit in my oatmeal, and for a while now my favorite has been strawberries, but I just use frozen ones and I put the oats and strawberries into a pot, and then I just cook it for about 5 minutes on the stove until it's nice and creamy. Morning is actually when I also like to take my vitamins and supplements, and like I mentioned at the beginning of this video is in collaboration with Care of. So Care of is a vitamin and supplement company that delivers personalized daily packs of vitamins right to your door, so it gives you a month's supply at a time. It is really cute how personalized it is, so it actually has your name on it. So the way you figure out which supplements you need is by taking a 5-minute quiz. It's right on their website, anyone can take it, and then based on your answers they recommend a variety of vitamins and supplements. You don't have to take all the ones they recommend, but I actually decided to just take all of the ones that they suggested because some of them were ones that I was taking previously or I have taken before in the past, like iron and B12, and then the other ones that are in here are probiotics and vitamin C, and I usually just take them when I am like halfway through eating my breakfast. I like to keep the dispenser on my counter so it's just super easy for me to remember in the morning. So if you guys live in the US and you are interested in trying out Care of, you can go to takecareof.com and use the promo code LIV at the checkout to get 25% off your first month of vitamins. Sometimes I like to just take them all at once. So it is 1:44 and I'm going to make some lunch. I'm going to be using this butter chicken mix. It just has spices, tomato powder, mustard, salt, garlic, and chilies. The first thing you need to do is just cook some rice, so that's easy. Great. So I think I'll just talk while I'm chopping. My friend Hannah, who is a registered dietitian, and I talk about this a lot. We usually talk about how you could be eating like the healthiest diet in the world. Like you could be eating all the correct foods and still feel hungry or like not feel satisfied or still have an unhealthy relationship with food. And I think that just comes from you deciding to eat certain foods not because your body feels like it's craving them, but because you read somewhere or you heard somewhere that you should be eating these foods. So to give you an example, the other day I went for my longest run ever, and after that I kind of started thinking like, oh, I worked out really well this morning, so I should probably try and eat healthy all day. And so for lunch I decided that I was gonna make quinoa and vegetables. Don't get me wrong, I love quinoa and vegetables, but for some reason that day the thought of eating quinoa and vegetables was actually making my stomach turn. Like I just did not want to eat it. What I really wanted to eat was a big bowl of pasta with marinara sauce. But I went ahead and I made the quinoa and I was cooking the vegetables, and then in the middle of that I just stopped and I was like, what am I doing? Like, why would I ever think it was a good idea to force myself to eat foods that I didn't really want to eat. So I scratched that. I put the quinoa in a container in the fridge for another day, and I made a big bowl of pasta like I wanted. I literally felt so good after. I had so much energy. I just think life is too short to not enjoy the food that you're eating. So that is kind of like my approach to eating and my thoughts on intuitive eating. It really just means eating the foods that you want to at that time, not stressing about it, and knowing that eventually your body is going to balance itself out and you are going to be just fine. Okay, so that was really long-winded, and all I got done was cutting up some bok choy and broccoli, but I am going to now move it over to the stove and show you guys how I am making this lunch. Pav and I have both been just really busy all day doing a lot of work, so we are going to move it over to our favorite coffee shop. They have really good vegan food. It's called The Nook, and so we're probably going to get some dinner and some wine. Very excited about this.